Thank you so much. Thank you, thank you. Wow. Viewers, you must be loving this.
Uri dito, uri. Yeah.
Yes, that's better. Wow.
Bigot. Okay, that's all.
That's awesome. That's awesome. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you, everyone. Oh, wow. You must be tired.
Yeah, I
Oh,
have so many sweat.
yes, yes, yes. That was awesome. Everyone is so talented. That's
Thank
really,
you.
really great. So all the
Oh,
dancers, all the performers have been performing
yeah,
for a long time, isn't it?
yes.
Wow. Because it's absolutely great. Absolutely
The one
great.
you notice very noisy on my feet. This is our traditional anklet.
Oh, wow. So you put them, when you are dancing, you put them on your feet?
Yeah, the one
Wow.
was very noisy on my feet.
Wow. Awesome. Awesome. So
Yes.
they knock each other to make a sound. Makes sense.
Yeah.
Absolutely
Yeah.
beautiful. Okay. Is there
Thank
anything else you haven't told us today that we might want to know?
you. Okay. Thank you very much. Hello, people of Scotland. Bom
Hello.
salamat. I hope
Kom
you
salamat.
enjoy watching with the arts and fashion TV network with Miss Lydia Martin.
Thank you.
I hope you guys there are happy to watch us and enjoy
Oh yeah,
with us.
definitely. Definitely.
Yeah. All I can say, in the name of our tradition, Tiboli tribe, now we are connected with the spirit through this performance, and I hope everyone you
Wow.
there, not all, well, someday that people of Scotland will love to visit Philippines, especially
Oh
the
yes,
Tiboli tribe.
definitely.
Yeah.
Definitely, 100%. I'm sure the viewers are going to ask so many questions about this. This is going to be great. As I said before, I will still say it again. We are not able to go anywhere just now, but this has been like a holiday for us.
Yeah.
You've
Wow.
shown
Thank
us
you.
so much. You've entertained us so well. I know it's getting late, but maybe we can do a part 2.
Sure.
When you are happy with,
Anytime. Anytime.
because this has
Well,
been great.
when when Scotland country is lonely, you can let me know so that we will make them happy.
Yes, of course, definitely. You've already,
Yeah.
or you have no idea. I'm sure this is going to be so great for so many people because, believe it or not, most people delight in going for holidays. And now, because people are not going for holidays, some people are actually even depressed, you know? So this
Yeah.
is going to excite so many people. So many people who are going to watch the Otis Creative TV and also for the Fashion Art and Media. Everyone is going to be delighted to watch this because this has been awesome. This has been great. I can tell you I've never enjoyed my work as much as I did today.
Wow.
It's been amazing. Really, really.
Yeah, thank you, Miss Lydia. And I wish that people in Scotland, maybe through you, that
Yes,
more people will connect to us that who wants
yes,
to know more about our culture. And of
absolutely.
course, how we wish to connect with the high,
Yes, definitely.
high, like your governors, or and even if
Right.
they have the festivals in your country,
Yes.
don't hesitate to
So
to
many people
message
watch.
us, hopefully to invite us to your country to perform and to show your
Absolutely.
country.
So many people watch. You will be amazed who is going to be watching this. So,
Thank you.
And besides, because nowadays everything is streamed, it's therefore not going to just be for one day and it's gone. This performance is going to last forever. So many people are going to watch it. So it just means that this is just the beginning, you know?
You make me cry,
Oh no, you make me cry because it's been so spiritual for me, because the instruments you played is all of them, and it's also taking us to see the nature, out the trees, everything you showed us, even your animals, everything. This has been wonderful. This has been really great,
Thank you very much.
And I want to thank everyone, all of you. I can't, the names will be a bit difficult for now until I meet you, but thank you so much for taking this opportunity.
Yes, and
to
of
show
course,
us what you've prepared for us today.
Yeah, thank you. And of course, we are very excited for what's this? The media arts media
Fashion Art Media.
Yeah,
is just a small part, but Otis, it means one tribe, meaning Kenny Ball, who is from Scotland, started the One Tribe Network. So it means all of us are one. So one tribe means everyone. So it's One Tribe TV. So, but my segment is Otis Creative Network, because you've been showing us your dance. So that's where we come. But it's been more than just the dance, because it's been spiritual. You've shown us so much. So thank you so much.
You're welcome. You mean you will connect us again to the One Tribe TV network?
Definitely. So this is who I work for. So this is who is going to be putting you on their network. Yes, of course.
Thank you. Bang salamat always.
No problem. And I will definitely tag you on all the everything and the article, so that you show the tribe, everyone, what's going on.
Thank you.
Okay. So I'm going to let you go and rest, because it's been really, I know it's evening time. I can see it's becoming dark. So
yeah.
And we'll connect another time. Okay. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you.
Boom Salamat.
One more round music to say goodbye.
Thank you. Is it Boom Salamat? Boom Salamat.
Kedaan model. Bang salamat.
Bam Salamat. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Lynn. Oh, that's amazing. Oh. That's wonderful. Thank you so much. Thank you, everyone. Thank you. Bye-bye just now.